First, I'm taking two eggshells and then I'm trying to make a small cone. After that, I'm cutting it with scissors so the cap of the joker is ready. Now I'm trying to make some handmade paper designs so that I can paste it on the eggshells. Use Fevicol to paste it properly. Now I'm going for the details like I'm drawing the eyes, eyebrows and the mouth. Use any stone sticker or a thermocol ball to make the nose of the joker. Now I'm using sketch pens and giving some dot to give it a colorful look. Put more decorative items as much as you can. Then take a cotton and color it with sketch pen. Then paste it as the ears of the joker. After sticking both of the eggshells together with hot glue gun, so our joker is ready.